A new branch of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is among the anti-crime strategies announced today by the government. Details were outlined at the National Security Minister's sectoral presentation to the House of Representatives this afternoon. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm reports.
Multiple calls for a crime plan, the promise of a response.
So when you're going to hear about the plan?
Well, I will speak to greater detail, a number of them, in my presentation on Tuesday.
So when you present, we'll hear the plan?
You will hear what we're doing with crime.
So what exactly is the government doing? In a nutshell, a repackaging of the 5-pillar anti-crime strategy. In a roughly 2-hour speech in the House on Tuesday, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang said emphasis will be placed on public order and law enforcement, tackling gangs and corruption, social intervention measures, and transforming the police force. Specifics: first up, the Traffic and Highway Patrol Division and the Motorized Patrol Division will become one, dubbed the Public Safety and Traffic Management Branch. Here's what it will do.
Roving response not only of motor vehicles but of motorcycles to allow for rapid response in sufficient numbers to critical situations. There will be teams that will concentrate primarily on breaches of public order that threaten citizens' safety, such as vending outside of designated areas on the sidewalks, etc., and in public parks. Teams that can focus on illegal occupation of public space, and teams that can focus on safety along major thoroughfares.
The Proceeds of Crime Act and anti-gang laws will also be strengthened to take the profit out of crime and help in dismantling criminal gangs. A national coastal radar system will be implemented to monitor the coastline to, among other things, decrease the flow of illegal guns, drugs, and ammunition. On the social intervention side of things, music, sports, and technology will be used to steer young people from a life of crime. As for the welfare of police personnel, steps are being taken to ensure those injured in the line of duty are taken care of.
The Permanent Secretary and the Commissioner have been charged to work along with the Ministry of Health and the University Hospital of the West Indies to establish a protocol during this financial year that any police officer get injured on the job will be taken care of at any public health institution they attend to, without question or fear. If the bill has to be paid after, then so let it be. The Ministry of Natural Resources will do so, but they cannot be injured on the job and go to hospital and start worrying about how they're going to be treated.
The state will also provide financial assistance to police personnel charged with a crime while lawfully doing their jobs. Meanwhile, with reports of questionable people getting gun licenses at the Firearm Licensing Authority,
during the financial year, FLA will introduce online tracking for firearm application. Additionally, the agency will acquire a bullet tracks marking machine to improve the authorities' capacity to capture bullet signatures.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.